Tom Fidgen is the owner and instructor at the Unplugged Wood Shop, a hand-tool-only woodworking school in Toronto, Ontario. Tom also makes guitars and custom furniture. Although much of Tom's time is taken up teaching, he still manages to make furniture and do other woodworking projects for clients from time to time. Here's a cabinet on stand Tom made from upcycled, saved, and salvaged materials. And here's a selection of pieces Tom has made over the years. Tom has been taking guitar building pretty seriously over the past few years and has built about 10 so far. He's also built a cabinet to properly store them. He got into making guitars when a student challenged him to learn how to build one and hasn't looked back. Tom was asked to carve a plaque to honor a donor who helped fund a renovation of the iconic Massey Hall in Toronto. Tom's hand tool skills shone through during this project. Tom's not only a serious hand tool user, but a hand tool maker as well. Over the years, Tom has made a wide selection of planes, chisels, benches, and other tools he's needed. Tom teaches a wide range of classes at the Unplugged Wood Shop in Toronto. Classes run from beginner to advanced woodworking skills, and he's taught students from all corners of the globe. He has a wide range of quality tools at his studio.